Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create an Outlook account. So Outlook is an email service provided by Microsoft. You can use Outlook to send and receive emails to different people at different time. And you want to create an Outlook account to use Outlook, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to create an Outlook account in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you have to do in order to create an Outlook account is open a browser and go to outlook.com. Once you go to outlook.com, you land on an interface like this. Now here, creating an Outlook account is simply creating a Microsoft account. So if you already have a Microsoft account, what you can do is log in using that Microsoft account and enjoy using Outlook. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, what you want to do is tap on the create free account button. Once you tap on the create free account button, as you can see, you will be redirected to create a Microsoft account. So go ahead and enter a new email that you want to use as an Outlook account email address. Once you create an email address, tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, Microsoft will ask you to create a new password for your account. So go ahead and create a new password. Once you create a new password, tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, Microsoft will ask you to enter your name. So go ahead and enter your name. Once you enter your name, tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, Microsoft will ask you to enter your date of birth and select the country or region you're from. So go ahead and enter your date of birth. Once you enter your date of birth and select the country or region you're from, tap on the next button. So once you tap on the next button, Microsoft will ask you to solve a puzzle. So tap on the next button. So once you solve the puzzle, you'll successfully create a Microsoft account or your Outlook account. So Microsoft will ask you whether you want to stay signed in or you want to sign in again. So tap on yes if you want to stay signed in. If not, tap on no. So as you can see that you have successfully created your Outlook account or a Microsoft account. Both are the same. So those were the simple steps in order to create an Outlook account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.